There's a new loan from WHEDA. WHEDA is an affordable housing loan program, government program, and they just came out with a program called More Like Home, and it's a repair and renew program. So you qualify potentially if your home was built before 1984. So this is not anything newer than that. So 1984 and back. And if you have repair projects, this could be a great program for you. It must be your primary residence, so it's not good for flippers or investors, although it can be a two-unit property. So if you're an owner-occupied investor or thinking about becoming one on a house that needs some work, this is something you might want to pay attention to. But for homeowners who are in a condo or single-family home, um, it could be a really great option. It's only done through certain lending partners, and like any good program, it has its nuances. So there's two different income limits on the loan program, and there's a guide that I can either embed in here in this video or attach or send it to you. But somebody that's at or under 100% of area median income, and that's by county. So you'd have to look up your county. And again, I have a chart for that. Somebody that's 100% over, but under 140%. And I'll link the charts. So it's the loan amount could be 10 to 50,000, and in some cases it's a forgivable loan. And it's to be used for home improvements like roof, window, electrical, HVAC, or even safety issues like asbestos removal, lead paint, mold remediation. So a lot of good high ticket things that it could be used for. As mentioned, it has to be at least 40 years old. If you're under the 100% of the area median income, it's forgivable, and 20% forgivable per year for 5 years. So I'm really getting into the details a little bit. And again, must be an owner occupant and you must be staying for a little while for it to be an effective program. So might not be for you, but if you know somebody trying to stay in their home and the condition is starting to present some challenges from that for them for a cost standpoint, or a person doesn't have the financial resources to maintain it but would like to stay, this could be a great program. Um, so if you're over that 100% of area median income, is a 3% 30-year fixed. And so that is like a HELOC or a second mortgage, but 3%, which are just no terms are out there like this at all. So this could be a really great option. And even better, if you're under that 100% area median income, it could be potentially forgivable over a 5-year term. So it's a really exciting program. Not all lenders are offering it. In fact, it's just sort of brand new, and only a few lenders throughout the state are offering it. But if you want more information or you want to talk to your lender, it's something that you should really know about. Again, it's called the More Like Home program. So let me know if you want more information from me, and I'll be happy to connect you.